This is how to clean the filters on the Daikin Emura. So it's got the electronic front panel, so you need to first lift that up. So on the controller, make sure that the system is off. Once it's off, then you can press the 3 buttons in the bottom corner to wake it up. Press the 3 buttons again to get the settings. Press left twice to get to indoor unit settings. Press the tick to confirm. And then press the right hand button once to this symbol. And then press tick to send that. What that does is open up the front panel. And then underneath the front panel, there are 2 blue tabs, which you can see in a moment, but you basically pull those down like this, push it up, and then the latch will open, which will allow you to hold it there. So those are the blue tabs, like that. Once you've opened it, the filters just pull out like this, and then if they've got dust on them, just get the hoover with the brush and just hoover them up, and then put them back in like this. Make sure that that tab is back up again so the panel can fall, and then just gently push either side to clip it back in, and then you can just turn it on to get the panel to close.